In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use tab scrolling in Google Chrome. If you often work with lots of tabs open at the same time, you've probably noticed that Chrome eventually shrinks them down until you can't read the titles anymore. That's where tab scrolling comes in. When this feature is enabled, instead of making your tabs tiny, Chrome lets you smoothly scroll through them, so it's much easier to find what you're looking for. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. This feature is available in recent versions of Chrome, so if you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to check for updates through the browser's settings before you start. To turn on tab scrolling, you'll need to use Chrome's experimental features page, which is called Chrome Flags. In the address bar at the top of your browser, click once to highlight whatever is there, then type Chrome/flags and press Enter. This will open a special settings page. It may look a little technical, but don't worry. We're only going to change one specific option. At the top of this page, you'll see a search box. Click in that search box and type tab scrolling. Chrome will filter the list and show you the tab scrolling related setting. You should see an option labeled something like tab scrolling with a drop-down menu on its right side. If it's set to default, that means it's not fully enabled yet. Click the drop-down menu and choose Enabled. In some versions of Chrome, you may see multiple tab scrolling styles, such as options that show arrows or center the active tab as you scroll. You can experiment with these later, but for now, simply choose the basic Enabled option so the feature is turned on. Once you've done that, look toward the bottom of the page. Chrome will show a button prompting you to relaunch the browser so the change can take effect. Click Relaunch, and Chrome will close and then reopen all your tabs just as they were. Now, try opening enough tabs so that they no longer all fit across the top of the window. When that happens, you can use your mouse wheel while hovering over the tab bar to scroll left and right through your tabs. On a touchpad, you can usually use 2 fingers to scroll horizontally across the tab strip. This makes it much easier to view full tab titles without everything being squeezed. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just go back to Chrome off Flags, search for tab scrolling, and set it back to default or disabled, then relaunch the browser. That's all you need to do to enable and use tab scrolling in Google Chrome.